homeboy Danny. Say what's up to YouTube. Say what's up.
What's up, Facebook?
Got the baby right there.
Every time we're in the fucking video, I'm like, at this point, I'm about
months later.
What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today me and my girl are gonna bleed the clutch. So I was driving and I haven't taken care of the car. I've been busy as fuck, haven't uploaded no videos and stuff. But I mean, now we're back and it'll be a short video. I already pumped the hood. I got the tools out and everything, so let's get to it. It's been a while since I've done this, so I'm gonna try my best to remember how to do it. But I'm gonna show you what we need. I'm gonna show y'all what we need and everything. So here's the first thing. So first off, we need, of course, a towel for any spills. We need DOT 3 and 4 brake fluid. This is not brake fluid. It is brake fluid, but it's for the clutch, so it can be for both. And we got the clutch fluid, brake fluid, clutch fluid, and brake fluid. And yeah, my engine bay is a mess. Still gotta wash it. Second item we need is this drain hose. And what we gonna do is get just like a water bottle, make an X on top of it, and just stick it in. You gotta leave it kind of like going up a little bit to be leveled and shit. The other tool we need is a 8mm, and what we gonna do is, which I already connected the hose to the bottle, and you connect it right here, which is right there. And what we want to do is just grab the 8mm, twist it so it can open a little bit. And as y'all can see right here, it's almost gone. And it's all dirty. Look at that.
I feel like I was just on another planet.
what she's gonna do for me is pump it 5 times. She and her socks.
Like, just press it 5 times?
Yeah. And that's gonna happen, right? So what you wanna do is grab it with your hand and keep on doing it like that. That's happening since I don't have no more fluid on there. But right now we already cleared it and no more is coming out. So what we want to do is just add the new one. We're gonna be using this brand. Look how clear it is, like a yellowish color. And what we're gonna do is just pour some right here. Just a little bit. As y'all can see, there's a minimum and maximum. And I'm gonna have her, wait, what we gotta do is close this. Don't forget to close it. Pump it 5 times. On the 5th time, just let it like on the floor. Yeah, a little bit more. Y'all see that? That's a mixture of the clean and the dirty one. And we don't want that. That's the bad one. So we want it till it's all clear. Right now, let's add a little bit more to the max line. Y'all see all this coming? Go straight to the bottle. So, and that's going down, so that's a good thing. Let me tighten it up. Hold it. Look at all that pressure. Ain't that nice? So now it's starting to clear up a little bit. Here's our 3rd time. Pump it. Now we loosen it. Y'all see it going down? Now it's below. Let's add a little bit more. Oh shit. This shit's tight as fuck. There we go. All right, so now we're gonna pump it one more time. And after that, I'm gonna close it up. And that way we can just like pump it until the pedal goes all the way up from the clutch. So stay tuned. Do it one more time, 5 times. Can you do it with your foot now? Mm-hmm. All right, that's a good sign, right? Keeps going into the bottle. Making sure it's closed, okay. And we got the brake fluid all the way to the line, max. What are you doing, Jaden?
I like TV.
You watching TV?
Yeah.
All right.
Oh my God.
That's your car?
Yeah. It's a little.
You scared of Rex?
Yeah.
Why?
I'm a fool.
All right, guys. So that's pretty much it. It worked. The car turned on, which means I can press the pedal, right? Now, I'm running low on gas, so I gotta go get some gas. So we're gonna test the car out and see what's up. Stay tuned. I don't think y'all ever heard my exhaust, but let's hear it. options. Let's go with 17.
It's nice to know there are things you can count on, like your daily sheets. It lives on.
Alright guys, so we drove all the way to the gas station. The clutch is working, so the clutch pedal is working. So that's a good thing, right? Cookies. Getting sponsored by Cookies soon. I'll be uploading more videos soon. I just been going through a lot of shit, you know. But I was supposed to wrap the car today since the wrap was supposed to get here, but I got a phone call from the company Metro Restyling. They said they're out of stock on that color, so I'll still have to wait. And I was gonna wrap the blue bumper, which is this color, the cookie color, but I was gonna wrap it to the black rose, which is the color I'm going for. So I still have to wait on that. And as soon as I get that wrap, I mean, they said 2 weeks from now they're out of stock with all this coronavirus going on. As soon as I get that, I'll be wrapping it and I'll have more videos for you guys. Or I might buy other parts, maybe some side skirts, whatever. I'm just trying to come back up with this car. I need to build a lot on it, so stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Till next time.